Hey guys, welcome to a different day with me. So आज मैं first जा रही हूँ gym. I've already had my lunch and I made something घर पे because I didn't want to eat like the outside unhealthy things. So I made something at home and now I'm heading to the gym. Udhar probably it's gonna take an hour or two. Then I'll go for the walk. I'll come home. I'll start clearing my house and then I'm gonna head out again. Let's go. Done with the gym. I did approximately 30 minutes of treadmill and 30 minutes of Stairmaster. On the Stairmaster, I burned approximately 200 calories, and on the treadmill, 150 calories. So that was a total of 320 to 330 calories. That's it in 1 hour, just 330 calories. And one meal we have has 700 calories. So it's a lot what we eat actually, but it's fine because your body normally also burns some amount of calories by doing the normal basic activities, which is called the basic metabolic rate. So we do burn calories through that as well. But अभी मैं जा रही हूँ घर पे to do the घर के काम and clean my pets and give food to everyone. फिर मैं जाऊँगी बाहर. So मैं आई थी घर for like clearing the house, getting my pets sorted, clearing their room, giving them food, water, blah blah blah, whatever. And now I'm just gonna go out, play badminton for a while, like an hour obviously. You can only book the court for an hour. I mean, you can book it for a longer period of time, but we only play for an hour because that's the max we can play, just 1 hour. And in 1 hour, you burn like 450 calories. Depends on you how much you run around and how good you play. So I play good, obviously. I play the best. So around 450 calories. So today's burn for the whole day will be around 400 plus around 370. That's 770. Yeah, that's it. 770 calories. And I already ate around 1500 calories. So yeah, good workout, guys. This is like the third time I'm trying to shoot a review, and I hope no one enters my room. This is my room, and this is how it is. It's closed, but कोई भी कभी भी आ सकता है, knock कर सकता है, चिल्ला सकता है. It's very normal. It's nothing like, oh my god, you know. It's very normal in an Indian typical family. So guess what? Which movie did I watch? Obviously, Avarapan 2. So this movie was very good. Like, it didn't really give me the feeling of Avarapan 1. The feelings I had for Avarapan 1 was actually very different and very genuine because the whole story during that time and even that era was different. So even I think if Avarapan 1 आज के ज़माने में release होती तो I don't think it would have been a hit as much as it was in that era. So speaking about the movie, I think the movie was very predictable, which I didn't quite enjoy because I love twists and sudden drama, sudden things in the movie. But like as a normal person watching the movie, thinking that I'm watching it for fun, I would rate it around a 7.5 out of 10. It is like a good one-time watch, and obviously, like the whole thing is not for the movie, it is for Imran Hashmi, right? It's not for the people in the movie or anyone else in the movie, it is only for Imran Hashmi, not the story, nothing. So obviously I would give it a 7.5, and this was only because that Imran Hashmi was in the movie and because of the story being interesting that you can watch it, and it was not boring that I couldn't take my eyes off the screen even for a second after I got involved in the movie. But if you're like continuously using your phone or like not interested in the movie, obviously you're not going to enjoy it. I mean, if you do that, I don't think you can enjoy any movie. So yeah, that's it. So the thing is that when I come back to Abu Dhabi, I start missing Mumbai. But when I'm in Mumbai, I miss Abu Dhabi. Why does this happen with me? I have no idea. Like currently, I miss Mumbai a lot. I wish I could go back and shop again. But at one point, I think I was done with Mumbai. Like I really wanted to come back. And the major thing why I needed to come back is the sounds y'all can hear. Yeah, they are my pets. I don't really like to show them on camera because nazar, but y'all can obviously hear them. आवाज़ में I don't think कोई भी तुम लोग में से नज़र लगा सकता है मेरे words को. I'm gonna post like 2 days in a row. I'm not gonna post like one video. The reason for this is that I feel it's pointless to like post 1 या 2 मिनट की video because दिन में कुछ exciting तो नहीं करती हूँ. So this is the second part of the video, and the thing I'm doing आजकल is I'm posting 2 days in a row. I'm not posting like एक दिन because I don't really feel like posting a 1 or a 2 minute की video. I feel like there should be more content in it and I should be doing more things to post like every day वाला video. So hopefully if I'm going for any trip, I'm gonna like post a daily video and I'm gonna shoot and show you guys the places I'm gonna visit, or if it's something interesting I'm doing. But for a normal day in which my routine is very sorted, like gym, badminton, walk, that's it, I think 2 days in a row is much better. Honestly, the cat which I was very close to, I couldn't find her. Her name was Ginger and I used to give her khana since a long time. And the whole thing about me feeling for animals actually came from her. Because जब भी मैं building के नीचे जाती थी, used to wait for the school bus. She used to come to me and she used to play with me. And literally, I can't like figure it out, where is she. I contacted the government and the government confirmed that they have not picked it up. So I don't know if there are some private NGOs or what operating in Abu Dhabi, or maybe the sheikhs community, or there are a lot of sheikhs and people here trying to save animals, and because the kittens were quite small. So I think hopefully some good person, good humble person has taken it home because it has given kittens and is taking care of Ginger along with the kittens. Let's think of the best. I don't really want to think about what else can happen. And I was actually happy if the government would have picked it up, because they are literally giving me updates on like where is the cat, what is the cat doing, and they keep it in a like shelter house, so we actually know where is the cat. But currently, because someone randomly has picked it up, I have no idea, and the people who trapped it has left no information to the watchman or anyone around on where they are taking the cat or anything. That's my main thing. So अभी तक वहाँ पर approximately 3-4 cats बची है, तो मैं उनको खाना डालती हूँ every day, and I just hope that they don't get picked up, because I do get them checked whenever they are unwell from the vet, and I do take care of them. It's not that they are just there. So there is someone taking care of them, not just me. There are a lot of people in my area actually taking care of the cats. So I don't think it was required for someone to come and pick it up. But I think it is kind of very hot aajkal. Because of that, someone has taken it along with the kittens, because I don't think the kittens would be able to survive. I mean, if they wanted to, they could, but someone has taken it ये सोच के कि वो kittens को बचा सकता है. That's what my conclusion about this topic is. Just done with the gym now, heading home for like sorting my house, and then I'm gonna go play badminton late in the night. Not late, 10 to 11. And yeah, that's all. My days are gonna be like this now, at least for a while, until the next trip. Spent approximately 1.5 hours. I did chest and biceps, and tomorrow I'm gonna go back and try, and then legs. So this is my routine since a while now, since I've left my old gym and my old trainer. And I did 10 minutes of cardio in the beginning and end. So I did Stairmaster and treadmill today, beginning and end. Currently I'm walking to a shop because भूख लगी है. It's called बीकानेर वाला, and यहाँ पर एक बिल्डिंग होती थी जो उन लोग ने at least I think within 3 months they demolished the whole building after starting. And the same thing in India would probably take years and years, and it was done in like just 3 months here. Currently I'm walking to बीकानेर वाला. It's like a Indian snack shop जहाँ से मुझे कुछ खाना है. Reaching the place, I don't know if it's visible. It is, right? It's called बीकानेर वाला. It's a small place and it has like a first floor as well upstairs, and this is how the place is and the vibe here. As usual, I forgot to snap while eating or to show you guys what I even ate. Now I'm gonna go play badminton, and that's it. My day ends there. Signing off for today. See you guys tomorrow or day after. Depends on if I'm doing tomorrow zyada activities or 2 days maybe together. I don't know. Let's see. Bye. Good night.